So when the installation of first step is complete, you will see this message window that ArcGIS 10.2 desktop has been successfully installed. So you just need to finish it, and yes, advanced arc info concurrent use, this option. So you click on OK. So again you click on OK. So the first step is complete. So now we are going towards the second step. So you will go to this PC, right click here, you go to the properties, and then you see the name of your computer here, gu242323.gutech.edu.oman. So you just click on the change settings. So what you will copy the full name of your computer. So you copy it, and then you press OK and you close it. You just copied the name of your computer. Then again you will go to the main folder of ArcGIS from where we started. So ArcGIS, you go to patch, you go to procedure 1 patch. So you go to the service file. So you open the service file, and here you will basically paste. This is the window, desktop dash. This blue window you will select, and you right click and you paste the name of your computer. So that's all. So you save it. So you have pasted the name of your computer here. So now what you will do, you will again go back to the main folder, ArcGIS 10.2. Now we're moving towards step 3, installer license manager. So you go to the setup, and you double click it, and now you are installing license manager. Yes, next, I accept the agreement, next, install. So it will take a few minutes, so you just need to wait. So now we are at step 3. The first step, ESRI. Second step, changing the name of your computer in server file. Third step, we are installing the license manager. So it is successfully installed. So now what you will do, you will go to the system search here, you click here, and you write license, license, license server administrator. So you click here and you open this app. So you go to start and stop license servers, you click on the stop it. Once it is stopped, then you minimize it, just minimize it, and then again you will go to your main folder of ArcGIS 10.2. So here in the patch, procedure 1 patch, here you will copy 2 files. service file and ArcGIS file. You copy both of these files, copy, and then again you go to your C drive, you go to program files 86, you go to ArcGIS, you go to license 10.2, you go to bin, and you right click and paste the files here. Replace the file in the destination, yes. Continue. Continue. So the files are here. So when you complete it, then you again open this one which you minimized. So then you again start it. So now you started it. Now you click on reread licenses. So the software is rereading the licenses. So you press OK. Now you again go to the system search here, and you search for ArcGIS administrator again. Yes, yes. Oh, sorry, I clicked it many times, so I just need to open it one time. I'm closing it, the other ones. So this window will appear. So we click on this desktop. So make sure that this option advanced ArcInco concurrent use is selected, and then you click on the change. So here you need to paste the name of your computer. So again you go to this folder, this PC, you click on the properties. So you again go to change settings, and you again copy the name of your computer, copy, OK, and you paste the name of your computer here. So press OK, then apply, and then OK. So I hope you understand the whole procedure. Now the software is installed, it is ready to use. You just go here and you search for Arc Map 10.2. So it is ready to use. I hope you understand the whole tutorial, and please do ask me if you have any problems. So